Welcome to the PM episode of Toothy Trivia. I'm your host, Emma, and I'm here to help make brushing your teeth for 2 minutes easy. Right now, you should be flossing and getting your toothbrush ready. While you do that, I would like to tell you about another show produced by Podcast Playground called Wacky News. Wacky News airs every Monday morning and is hosted by Jackson and Dylan. They are kids just like us. In every episode, they share 3 cool news stories from all around the world that are actually interesting to kids, not boring adult news. They also have a section just for kid-friendly jokes. If you subscribe and listen to each episode as it is aired, you will be able to share the neat stories and jokes with your friends on the bus, at school, during lunch, or whenever you want. Just go to podcastplayground.com to learn more about and subscribe to Wacky News. Now it's time to get those teeth of yours brushed. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's trivia theme is hummingbirds. Some hummingbirds are so small they have been known to be caught by dragonflies and praying mantis, trapped in spider webs, snatched by frogs, and stuck on thistles. Hummingbirds can fly backwards and are the only group of birds able to do so. They can also hover in mid-air, fly sideways, and even upside down. A hummingbird's brain makes up 4.2% of its weight, which is the largest of any birds. By comparison, our brains are 2% of our body weight. Studies have shown that hummingbirds can remember every flower they've ever visited. They can figure out how long to wait between visits so the flowers have time to create more nectar. They can even recognize humans and know which ones can be counted on to refill empty hummingbird feeders. Depending on the species, hummingbirds live on average 3 to 5 years, but have been known to live as long as 12 years. Hummingbirds are very territorial and have been observed chasing each other and even larger birds, such as hawks, away from their territories. Hummingbirds got their name from the humming noise their wings make in flight. Hummingbirds can fly in the rain and, like dogs, shake their heads to dispel drops of water. Unlike dogs, however, a hummingbird shakes its head violently, 132 times per second and rotating 202 degrees, all while flying and maintaining direction. Hummingbirds tend to return to the area where they were hatched. Female hummingbirds build their nests 10 to 90 feet high, almost always in trees or shrubs. The nests are velvety tiny cups with spongy floors and elastic sides that stretch as the young grow. They weave together twigs, plant fibers, and bits of leaves, and use spider silk as threads to bind their nests together and anchor them to the foundation. And you're done! Weren't those 2 minutes easy? And don't forget to go to podcastplayground.com and subscribe to Toothy Trivia so you can get every episode and never rush your brushing again.